Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Open your workbook, page number. Amma, I gave this page as a homework. Have you completed? I gave 39 pages. I gave 39 pages as a homework. Have you completed? No? Have you completed or not? I think so you didn't. I am giving again. Is. My sister is. I asked you to write simple sentences. That also you didn't finish. My sister is writing homework. My sister is writing homework. Next, are. They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. Next, has. She has a funny dog. Next, have. Amma, singular kemo is you just now. For the plural we are using are. Singular we are using has. For plural we are using have. Ram and Raj have a meeting. Have a meeting. Okay? You're unable to see meeting? I'm writing here. Next. Do. They do complete. They do complete. No, sorry, Nana. They do not write the homework. They do not write the homework. They do not write the homework. Next, does. Radha does not. Radha does not. For the singular, I used does. For plural, I used do. Radha does not come to school. Radha does not come to school. Next, was. Next one, was. My father was completing his work. Was completing his work. Next, were. They were or we were. We were going to market. Next, will. She will She will enjoy the party. She will enjoy the party. Next, did. My brother did not. My brother did not eat anything. My brother did not eat anything. Next, last one is am. I am reading newspaper. I am reading a newspaper. These are the simple sentences. Very simple sentences. If anybody not right, you must complete it. I am reading a newspaper. Okay? Next. Have you completed your writing? Complete soon. Next, I'm wrapping up. Next, reading comprehension, robot birds. Open your page number 43. Open your workbook page number 43. Reading comprehension. Liverpool City Council wants to clear the city of fat pigeons. They said that people are feeding the birds. They say that people are feeding the birds which make them fat. The pigeons get bigger because their normal diet would consist of seeds and insects, not high fat junk food they are eaten in the city center. Liverpool City is one of the city in Europe. Liverpool City. In the Liverpool City center, a lot of pigeons are there. Lot of pigeons are there in the Liverpool City. Okay, and the pigeons are very fat. In the Liverpool City center are having fat, very fat pigeons. They have the fat pigeons. The Liverpool City center wants to clear the pigeons. The council here, the city center, because in the city center lot of pigeons are there, no? That's what they want to send. The Liverpool center council want to send all the pigeons from the city. They want to send out. Okay, they want to send out all the pigeons from the city, because the city is going to become the capital of European after 2 years. After 2 years, the Liverpool City is going to capital of European. That's what of Europe. That's what they want to send them out from the city. And the people, the Liverpool Center Council said that why the pigeons are becoming very fat. They thought that the people are feeding them. with the nuts and insects. Sorry. They are feeding. They are giving a lot of food to them. That's what they are becoming very fat. Okay? The pigeons are becoming very fat because of the people of Liverpool city are feeding the pigeons with the insects and also the seeds, not for the junk food. They are not eating the junk food. Normal ga junk food tinte manamu oil to fat అవుతాం. కానీ జంక్ ఫుడ్ తినట్లేవు అవి. ఏం తింటున్నాయి? They are eating the seeds and insects. Okay? That's what they want. It is going to, the Liverpool city is going to become as a capital. That's what the council want to send all the pigeons out from the center, out from the city. సిటీలో నుండి అన్ని pigeons బయటకు వెళ్ళకూడదాం అనుకుంటున్నారు. The council wants people to know that everyone who feeds a pigeon is responsible for the streets being so crowded with these birds. They hope to encourage the birds to move away from the city center and into parks or open places. The Liverpool City Councillor is giving a warning to all the people. The people is responsible about their pigeons. I have 2 pigeons. I am the responsible of my 2 pigeons. My neighbor has 5 pigeons. He is the responsible to send them out from the city. Who is responsible for that? The people are the responsible to send the pigeons out from the city. What the council is saying? Council is saying you are the responsible because you are feeding them. ఎందుకు అన్ని లాట్ ఆఫ్ pigeons are there నాన్న. సిటీ సెంటర్లో ఎక్కువ pigeons ఉండేసరికి ఎక్కువ నాయిసీ ఉంటుంది. It is crowded with the pigeons. That's what they want to send to the near parks. ఎక్కడికి పంపించమని అడుగుతున్నారు? ఐదర్ పార్క్ ఆర్ ద ఓపెన్ స్పేసెస్. సెంటర్లో ఉంటే డిస్టర్బెన్స్ బాగుంటుంది. బోర్డ్స్ సెంటర్లో ఉంటే డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అవుతుంది కదరా. అందుకని ఎక్కడికి పంపించమంటున్నారు? ఐదర్ పార్క్స్ ఆర్ ద ఓపెన్ స్పేసెస్. ఎక్కడెక్కడైతే ఓపెన్ స్పేసెస్ ఉన్నాయో అక్కడికి పంపించమని వాళ్ళకి వార్నిస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే. అండ్ ఆల్సో 10 robotic birds have been brought into the city center to scare the pigeons away, and visitors are asked not to give the pigeons any food. 10 robotic birds. 10 robotic birds are kept in the city center. ఆ సిటీ సెంటర్లో 10 robotic birds ని పెట్టి ఎందుకు పెట్టారు తెలుసా మీకు? టు స్కేర్ ద పిజియన్స్. టు స్కేర్ అంటే పిజియన్స్ భయపెట్టడానికి, భయపడి పారిపోతాయని అక్కడ 10 robotic birdsని పెట్టారు. టు move away the pigeons out from the center. And also the visitors are saying that those who are visiting to the city, they are saying that not to give food to the pigeons. The pigeons, you are feeding the pigeons, that's what they are becoming very fat. So you should not give food to the pigeons. They are warning to the people. Okay, next. The mechanical birds known as robots will sit on the roofs of buildings. They can be moved around the different locations. They look like falcons, which are birds that kill pigeons. They even make noises and flap their wings to scare the pigeons. They hope that the pigeons will go away before the city becomes the European capital of culture into 2 years. And also not only the 10 robo birds, but also 2 the mechanical birds. The mechanical birds also robots. They are also robots, but they are like birds. They also sat. అంటే ఆ సిటీ కౌన్సిల్ వాళ్ళు అరేంజ్ చేశారు ఇదంతా. రోబోట్స్ అనే బోర్డ్స్ని ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ పెట్టారు? The robots are sitting on the roofs of buildings. Buildings roofs పైన కూర్చొని ఏం చేస్తుందో తెలుసా? They are making the afraid. They are afraiding the pigeons. Okay? They are afraiding the pigeons. Pigeons భయపెట్టిస్తున్నాయి. If the pigeons are afraid, they may go out from the city. That's the plan of council. Okay? And also some of the mechanical birds are killing the pigeons. They too have the wings like birds. Mechanical robots also having the wings. They can go one place to another. అక్కడ రూట్స్ పైన కూర్చోవడం కాదు, వాటికి కూడా వింగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. వింగ్స్తో ఆ లొకేషన్ మొత్తం తిరుగుతూ ఎక్కడ పీజియన్స్ కనబడితే వాటిని చంపేయడమా లేకుంటే ఆ సిటీలోని తరమేయడమా ఏదో ఒకటి చేస్తుంటాయి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్లాన్ ఆఫ్ ద కౌన్సిల్ టు సెండ్ అవే ద pigeons from the city. Okay, and now come to the lesson. Mark the following sentences as true and false. True or false? Pigeons are fatter in Liverpool than in other cities. Other cities కంటే ఎక్కువ ఏ సిటీలో ఉంటున్నాయి? So that's true. Write down. First one is true. Next, second one. Pigeons get fat because they eat seeds and insects. Yes. True. Visitors should not feed the pigeons. Visitors are feeding? No. The villagers are only, the people are feeding. Robotic birds can move around the city center. Robotic birds, they can move. City center lo move to vatni భయపెట్టిస్తున్నాయి. True. Next, Liverpool is currently means now is the European capital of culture. Now it is a European capital. No, it is going after 2 years. Liverpool city is going to capital of European culture after 2 years. Not now. Currently and ఇప్పుడు అంటున్నాడు. Not now. False. They want the pigeons to move out of the city center. Yes. True. Okay. Complete your answers. Next. True, 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 false, true. Next. What did the Liverpool City Council want to clear? They want to clear the pigeons out. Right out. The Liverpool City Council wanted to clear the city of its pigeons. Pigeons. The Liverpool City Council wanted to clear the city of its pigeons. Next, what did the council to do? Scare the pigeons. Robotic boards arrange chesindi, mechanical boards arrange chesindi. Isn't it now? The council bought 10 robotic birds. 10 robotic birds and mechanical birds and mechanical birds into the city center To scare the pigeons. Okay, complete your answers. My workbook is completed. Nana, take. Workbook is completed now. Open your activity book. Open your activity book, page number 32. Open your activity book, page number 32. Page number 32. Here is a beautiful sketch of bird. Put some life into it and join the dots and color in it. Join the dots and color the head. Okay. Next, look at the picture and frame appropriate sentence using prepositions. By seeing, you can understand. Where is the girl? The girl is under the bench. Under is a preposition. By using the prepositions, you know already these are all. Here, under. The goal is under the bench. Where is the giraffe? Giraffe is near the castle. And where is the cat? The cat is on the bench. Sorry, on the table. Where is the dog? The dog is crossing the bridge. Crossing is the preposition. The dog is crossing the bridge. Here, where is the joker? Close. Where are the clones? They are in the castle. And where is the car? The car is beside the van. Beside is the preposition. By using the prepositions, you must write the sentences of your own. Use the preposition. By seeing, you are able to write. Next, take next page. Paste the stickers. Amma, related stickers are there. A cat next to a dog. Here pictures are there. Nana. A cat next to a dog. This picture is no. A cat next to a dog. Plug this picture and paste here. Next, a girl under the table. Where is a girl under the table? Here. Plug this and paste here. Like that. You must paste 3 pictures. Here you have to draw. Read the instructions and draw pictures accordingly. Also color the pictures. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి మీరు డ్రా చేయాలి. A tree between a hut and pond. Tree ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Between a hut and a pond. Here a hut draw, here a pond draw. In the middle, draw a tree and color them. Okay? Here hut, here pond. In the middle, you must draw a tree and color them. Next, an aeroplane flying over a building. Amma ikkada em cheyali ikkada building draw cheyali. You have to draw a building and an aeroplane. Draw an aeroplane. Okay? And color them. Next, each picture is represented with 2 sentences. One of them is grammatically correct. Identify that sentence and tick right. 2 sentences are given. Here, they are waiting at the airport. They are waiting at the airport. Which sentence is correct? which is correct grammatically. Two sentences are given, but one sentence is correct grammatically. గ్రామటికల్గా ఒకటి సెంటెన్స్ కరెక్ట్ ఉంది, దానికి మాత్రమే మీరు రైట్ వర్క్ పెట్టాలి. ఇక్కడ దే ఆర్ వెయిటింగ్ ఎట్ ద ఎయిర్పోర్ట్, దట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. ఆర్ దే ఆర్ ఎట్ వెయిటింగ్ ద ఎయిర్పోర్ట్, విచ్ ఇస్ కరెక్టా? ఫస్ట్ వన్, దే ఆర్ వెయిటింగ్ ఎట్ ద ఎయిర్పోర్ట్. కీప్ రైట్ మార్క్. Like that, you must read all the sentences. This compare these two sentences, which is grammatically correct. Pick the right mark. Understand this, sir? Grammatical ga ఏది కరెక్ట్ ఉందో దానికి టిక్ మార్క్ చేయండి. That is your homework. Today's homework is complete your activity book. Okay? Today's class is completed. Bye, Nana.